So now that I've created a test and now that I've created a class and assigned learners to it, the next step is to assign tests. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into my classes and I'm going to pick the class that I want to assign. Now, I'm going to do Traditional Physics 1 and I'll just simply click on that button and it says, oh, edit class name, delete class, those are my options, or I can simply press here for assign test. Click on that. And then from there I determine what category I'm assigning my test for, and I'll pick energy because I've already got test set up, and there's gravitational energy. I'll click on this button right here to choose test settings. Okay, so I'm going to click on that, and now you can see there's a whole bunch of options that I have here for my test settings. Okay, so the first one that's on the list is what are the learners going to see when they've completed the test? Score only, no score? What are your options? Now, if you're using ClassMarker to collect homework, then I suggest using score and chosen answer or score and chosen answer and correct answer. I mean, those are really kind of your best options. If you want to make it more like a test, then obviously score only is an option, or any of the other ones below are options. This button right here will allow you to randomize the order in which the test questions are given. This one you can set the number of questions per page. You can turn practice mode on. This allows you an unlimited amount of attempts. You can set it for whatever number, 5, 2, whatever you'd like to do, or 1 attempt. Okay? This is an advanced feature. If you want to upgrade to professional, that's fine. But to me, like I said, I've never really felt the importance. I actually have upgraded mine to professional, and I never use this option. Limited time limit. You can set it for 30 minutes, 80 minutes. You can leave it blank. So I mean, instead of going all over through these, whatever, you could do that for the most part. But you can see all of the options that you have. Let me restate that. The type of control you have for your test. Okay? So you have all of these options to choose from just for your test. Now, at the very bottom there's an assign a test now, and there's this button right here, assign this test now. Once you've gone through here and determined what settings for the test, you just simply select assign this test. And now Traditional Physics has a test on gravitational energy. Okay? Cool. So that's how you assign a test. Now, how to look over a test that somebody's already completed? You can click on class results, and of course there's no learners assigned to this test, and there's nobody who's currently taking gravitational energy in Traditional Physics. But from there you'd be able to see all the scores that the kids have, and you would have an option at the very bottom to export it as an Excel sheet. Okay. The other thing that you can do with ClassMarker is that in this screen for class results, you can click on the individual tests to see what kids are missing, where they're missing their problems. Okay, so that's another option you have, is you can literally go kid to kid to kid to kid and see which questions they missed. Okay, cool. So that's how you assign a test in ClassMarker. All the other remaining videos are kind of the bells and whistle videos. So if you want to check out like external testing, that's what I'm going to go over next. Okay? All right.